Hi. High school story. Emma got ejected. Like, no joke. She asked out Caleb, and Caleb said no. But in the midst of him saying no, he looked over towards me, would make me feel bad for her. I felt like I took her undetermined man. But she don't seem mad at me. So to cheer her up, we decided that we were gonna try out for the band. I will be playing the saxophone, even though I cannot play one in real life, while she becomes a dance girl, which is something that I can do in real life. You see how the roles are switching? Anywho, I also was in the midst of a argument between Kayla and Brian, but today is the day where I get to learn, did I make the band or not? Let's get it. Chapter 6, practice makes perfect. Monday morning before class. The lists are up! Instantly, a crowd formed around the bulletin board with you and Emma in the back. I made first year trombone! Mara jumped up and down, a look of pure joy on her face. You elbow your way to the front of the crowd and scan the list for your name. School spirit will be affected. I'm first year saxophone! And I made it into the color guard. I told you had nothing to worry about. You were right about everything. I think I just needed a new I think this is just the new activity I needed. I'm proud of you, Emma. And the best part is, we'll be together. Your relationship with Emma will be affected. I'm not trying to start a relationship with her. I'm just trying to give her reassurance that, hey, we're in this together, okay? Gabe, acknowledge that. Agree, I wouldn't want to do this with anyone else. We'll be the most dynamic duo this school has ever seen. Bravo, you two. Remind me to buy you a congratulation card. You know, it's hard to tell. It's sometimes hard to tell if you're being sarcastic or not. Oh, I'm definitely being sarcastic. I get it. You're Mr. I'm too cool to take place in extracurricular activities. We're all very impressed. Sound like you got me pegged. Of course, if you actually want to get to know me, you could always come hang out with me and my friends at lunch. Wait, is that a genuine invitation or are you being sarcastic again? This time is genuine. If you want to hang out, meet me outside at the third bell. In that case, I'll be there. You gotta have a saying just what I want to hear. Lucky you. See you at lunch. Michael turns and walks away. Wait, are you going on a date with him? I wouldn't exactly call it that. We're just hanging out. If you say so. See, this is another instance that is forcing me to pick a person to date. Like, earlier it was Peyton who hinted that maybe me and Kayla should get some alone time. And now, Emma is like, are you going on a date with Michael? No. Godly. At lunch, you meet up with Michael in front of the school. So, where does the great Michael Harrison? Wait, his last name is Harrison? It's Harrison. Why? I know a person with the last name Harrison. I'm not gonna say their name, but I know a lot of people with Harrison in their name. Whatever. So, where did the great Michael Harrison go at lunch? Let me guess. An underground poker ring, a fight club, a bar. I'll put my motorcycle and find out. Sorry, I didn't bring an extra helmet. I mean, my dad wouldn't want me to relax. I'm messing with you. Just walking over to the parking lot over there. Michael escorts you to the parking lot where a group of his friends are hanging out. They're listening to music on an amp hooked up to a phone and practicing skateboard tricks. So, Michael, brought some fresh meat? Go easy on him, guys. Keyshawn is sensitive. I don't know. He looked pretty tough to me. Actually, I'm a teddy bear. Anyone wants a hug? Oh, you're a good at two shoes, huh? Seeing like a lot of our friends are going for your type these days. They look over at Wes, who smirks back. All of them and I are very happy. You girls do know what happiness is, right? You should try it sometime. Yeah, I sometimes think you should make a recording of you talking. Or I could just play it back for you to make you realize how boring you sound. Anyways, enough small talk. We're going to grill the new guy and tell him all of Michael's secrets. Do I get a say in? Do I get any say in this? Obviously not. The girl take you aside. So, seems like you and Michael are getting pretty close. Are you dating? No, we're just friends. That's probably for the best. What's that supposed to mean? It's nothing against you. It's just Michael got some serious walls up. A couple other people try to date him. It hasn't gone too well. What happened? You don't need to know. And we're trying to protect you and him. Protect him? Everyone got a weakness. Thanks. So keep that in mind. You walk back over to find Michael taking a video of Wes trying to jump over a pile of rocks on his skateboard. You gonna try next? I'm strictly a videographer. That would have called videographer. Because you're scared? Because these are my best jeans, and I don't intend on tearing them to shreds. Wes skates over and offers you the board. What about you? Want to give it a shot? Skateboarding? This will be my first time. Well, they say there's a first time for everything. You take the board and start skating toward the rubble. Hey, this is going just fine. Just then you feel the board going out from under you. You prepare for impact. You prepare for the impact of hard concrete against your skin. Got you. You look up and realize you landed on top of Michael, who slid under you, cushioning your fall. You caught me. The two of you stand up and dust yourself off. I happen to be in the area. Don't make it a big deal out of it. He looked down at his jeans. The knees of his jeans were torn to shreds. Your jeans. You were moving fast. I had the skid to catch you. I'm sorry. Don't be. I was getting tired of these anyway. I'll get another pair. For a moment, your eyes meet. Michael. Just then the bell rings. We should be going. Since when are you in a rush? Since when are you in such a rush to get to class? Without another word, Michael turns and walks away. Well, that was interesting. Your relationship with Michael will be affected. Yeah. After school, you find your newly assigned locker and open it up. Inside, you find a brand new uniform complete with gloves and a sash. My first uniform! I look awesome! I do. I most definitely do. You put your uniform on and rush to the band room. Emma stands with the color guards, but rushes over when she sees you. Oh, Emma! I see you, Emma. Oh my God, you look beautiful. Yes, Queen. Yes. Keyshawn, you're finally here. Hey, everyone. Hi, Keyshawn. Would you pose for me? Of course. See, that's a nice picture. Oh shit. Thanks, Autumn. You here to take pictures of the band? I had to readjust myself. I'm sorry. I'm supposed to be. That's why everyone's wearing their uniforms, but I can't get started until Ezra and Aiden arrive. What's the holdup? The people in the color guard were saying that Aiden and Ezra were still fighting over what song to play. I feel so sorry for you guys. Ezra didn't used to be like this. What happened? I can only imagine it's the pressures of being student director. Just then, the two boys burst through the double swinging doors. Hello, everyone. Welcome to band. Everyone sit down. Everyone quickly sits as Ezra continues. For the first game of the year, Ezra decided that we're going to play the fight song again. I, however, spent all summer coming with a new composition that will revolutionize the marching band. I'm the student director, Aiden, and I have to consider what's best for the group. Myra clears your throat. Ezra, with all due respect, how the heck is not listening to anyone else's opinion good for the group? You keep this up, Myra. You keep out of this, Myra. This between me and Aiden. But Ezra, we're all in the band too. You know what? If you're not willing to respect my authority, you can just go. You know what? I think I will. Ezra picks up his trumpet and marches toward the door. Anyone who wants to play some good music on Friday, follow me. A few musicians follow. Myra hesitates for a moment, but follows. Emma whispers in your ear, I don't want to disobey the student director. What about you? I have to pick a side? Oh. I promised her that I would stick by her. I don't know what the shoes, y'all. I don't know what the shoes. Oh my god. If I go with Aiden, I'm gonna piss off Ezra, which is Caleb's brother, who have developed Caleb developed feelings for me. I know that for sure. There's no way in hell that he has it with as much time I spoke with him in the first 2 days of school. Yeah. Secondly, if I go with Aiden, that will increase my score with him. This is a tough decision, y'all. This is a tough decision. I don't know what to pick. I don't know what side to choose. Alright, I'm gonna keep Ezra and Aiden out of the main equation and focus on what's have already happened. I know they're arguing, yes. I know I'm on Aiden's good side, yes. According to if I don't pick the option where it improves, it just stagnates. And plus, I already promised Emma that I will be there for her. So wherever Emma goes, I will go with her. So if she said that she wants to stay with Ezra, then I'm staying with Ezra then. You make eye contact with Aiden, but shakes your head and stays seated. You watch as half of the band walks out behind him. Did that just happen? Ezra shuts his eyes and shakes his off. Okay then, I guess we'll work with what we've got. From the top, everyone. I don't like the fact that I had to choose between Aiden or Ezra. Next day, you and Emma are eating lunch outside in the courtyard. Thanks for joining me out here. No worries. I'm glad to be out of there too. Tensions were way too high with Aiden and Ezra in the cafeteria today. I hope things cool down before practice later. Yeah, let's just not worry about that. We're outside, it's a beautiful day. No one is causing drama. Just before you can finish, the door of the courtyard opened and Brian struts out. Oh God. Famous last words. You tensed up as Brian started walking towards your table. But he walked past you and approached his table where Lewis, Myra, Sakura, and Nishan are sitting. They climb on top of the table and lies back. Hi, Brian. Brian takes a cookie off of Nishan's tray and bites into it. What the hell, Brian? Do you seriously take Nishan's cookie right in front of him? Yeah, what are you gonna do about it? I'm twice your size, sweetheart. Don't you dare! Hey, Brian! Ooh, what do I say? Do I say knock it off, or do I say I didn't know you hung with the nerd? I should troll him. He has been like on my ass. No, he been on my boy Caleb's ass all day. I don't like the fact that he's bullying nerds. I don't like the fact that he's bullying the nerds. So yeah, I must defend my fellow nerds. I am defending my fellow geeks. My fellow my favorite science guys and gals. I will be defending you today. Hey, Brian, I didn't know you hung up with the nerds. That's so sweet of you. Really warms the heart. The others catch on. Oh yes, I have long thought of Brian as a kindred spirit. Sakura and Lewis swing their arms over Brian's shoulder while Myra pulls out her phone. I bet FacePace will love to see a picture with this great friendship. No, you can't. Everyone pose with Brian. This is going to be so cute, especially when his girlfriend sees. Good idea, Emma. In fact, why don't we text it to her directly? No, stop. Fine, I'm out of here. By the way, Nishan, your cookies are disgusting. Brian storms off. See? Kill him with kindness. Kill him with kindness. And sarcasticity. Emma, that was awesome. What was? You totally got Brian to leave. That was mostly you, Keyshawn. Sure, I started it, but you were the one who really got to him. I guess we make a pretty good team. You super do. Lewis? Hi, Emma. And Keyshawn. Hi, Lewis. What's up? I just came over here to, say that it was epic how you stood up to Brian like that. Oh, thank you, Lewis. Lewis opened his mouth to speak, but nothing comes out. Something you want to say, Lewis? What? No, I'll see you later. Emma? Lewis runs back to his seat. A few seconds later, Sakura comes over. Sorry about that. Look, Lou was trying to ask if you wanted to come sit with us. Okay. Let's go. You pick up the trays and move to the other side of the courtyard to join the nerds. Hey guys, welcome to the fun table. Hi, where should I sit? Myra's face lights up. Emma, how about sit right here between me and Lewis? Well, okay. Myra scoots over enthusiastically, and Emma sits down. Lewis smiles shyly at her. Hi, Emma. Again. What about you, Keyshawn? How about you sit between me and my cousin Nashawn? If I sit between Lewis and Emma, look, Myra, I see where you're going, so I will follow along, okay? Sit between Nashawn and Myra. Emma and Lewis's relationship will be affected. Oh, God. Oh, boy. This is going to be interesting, y'all. Good choice. Very good. Nashawn and Myra make room for you to sit down. So, Myra, you've had enough of the band. You've had enough of the band table drama as well, I take it. Tell me about it. It's like civil war in there. I thought Ezra was going to bite Aiden's head off. Besides, I got a bond with my lookout team sometimes. Lookout? What's lookout? You never heard of lookout? You shook your head. It's a competitive team-based FPS with a flagship type and the flagship title of Snowstorm Studios. Huh? Basically, you're on a team of 6 people with guns, and you're trying to kill another team of 6 before they get you. You played it, Emma? No, but I've been wanting to. It looks like a lot of fun. Oh my gosh! I just had the best idea, Emma, Keyshawn. How about you join our team? Myra, I thought we said no nude. What about our win record? Nashawn elbows her in the rib. His eyes dart between Lewis and Emma. I mean, yes, we've been looking for 2 more players, and we'd love to have you. We're playing tomorrow evening in the computer lab, and you're very welcome to join, right, Lewis? I mean, yeah, if you want to, that is. Think Emma and Lewis will be a cute couple? Attend the LAN party. Attend the LAN party and help set them up. Plus, you'll get to get along with the rest of the gamers. We get to play Matchmaker. I love it. I'll be happy to join your team. Me too. Yes! I mean, yay! This will be so much fun. I don't know where that screen came from. The next evening. Hi, everyone. Keyshawn, come over here. We need to talk strategy. Nashawn quickly pulls out a chair and you just take a seat. Guys, you sure you don't need my help? We got this. Just keep up trying to fix the Wi-Fi. Well, okay. Sakura turned to you and started speaking quietly. Okay, Keyshawn. Nashawn messed up the Wi-Fi router, so Lewis will be busy for a while. You messed up the school Wi-Fi? Only for about an hour. Besides, everyone else has gone home by now. I trust you know the real reason why we invited you and Emma here. Obviously because Lewis have a major crush on Emma. Exactly, and we've got a plan to get them to confess. I'm listening. Myra invited Emma here 30 minutes after everyone else. When she gets here, the only seat left will be next to Lewis. Am I a genius or what? Then when we start the game, we're going to tell Lewis and Emma to set up a trap while the rest of us fight on the beach. What we're really doing is letting ourselves get killed. For the record, that was not my idea. But reminds me, Keyshawn, we have one extra thing we need you to do. Me? But I barely know how to play. That's the point. See, Sakura is really good at this game. Excuse you, I'm not just really good. I'm one of the worldwide top-ranked players. And we couldn't be more proud, Princess Peach. Sakura wrinkled her nose. I told you not to call me that in public! Okay, so Sakura's really good at the game. Go on.
Problem is, if Sakura lets herself get killed, it's going to be really obvious to Lewis that something's up. So once my cousin and I go down, take your gun and shoot Sakura and let the enemies kill you. I can't believe I let you talk me into this, but I guess it's for a good cause. Anyway, after that, it will be completely up to Lewis to save Emma. Okay,
But okay, I can ask one of these three questions. I can either ask what if Lewis can't save her alone? What would be obvious? Would it be obvious what we're doing? Is winning a video game really the best way to? Okay, but is winning a video game really the best way to flirt with someone? Well, Emma is into guys who win games, isn't she? You knew about her crush on Caleb? Not even lookout nerds can avoid all the gossip at this school. Hi guys, I hope it's okay that I'm here early. Myra, Sakura, and Deshaun all looked over, startled. Oh yeah, it's fine. Yeah. We're just about to get started actually. I don't know about that. Something's still wrong with the Wi-Fi. Let me take a look. He goes over to the router and presses a few buttons and the box lights up. You all take your seats and load the game. Attention Team Tigers. Team Heartfelt is online. Team Tigers? Team Heartfelt? Team Tigers is us, of course, and Team Heartfelt is one of our fiercest rivals. Don't be fooled by their soft-sounding name. These guys are deadly. Lewis, how about you and Emma set up a trap off to the side? The rest of us will work on taking these guys out. Roger that. Emma, stick with Lewis and do whatever he tells you. Got it. 3, 2, 1, game on. You and your teammates are dropped into a beach scene. Lewis and Emma's characters run off toward the boardwalk while the rest of you stay on the beach to fight. One member of the opposing team runs around the beach, shooting at random. What's Kappa Cutie 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Who's that? And what are they doing? No clue and no clue. They must be a new addition. Look like they're heading to the boardwalk. Let's not worry about them and focus on the rest of the team. Doesn't look like they know what they're doing. You stay on the beach for a few minutes and heal your teammates while Emma and Lewis set up the trap. Why? Nishan, Myra, take it away. Keyshawn, stick with me. You follow Sakura's character carefully to stay safe until Nishan and Myra die. Nishan, a little help here? Okay, just about... What the? Kappa Cutie 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 set off a huge bomb in the middle of the beach, killing Myra and Nishan and half a Team Heartfelt. Was that a genius act of sacrifice or just plain stupidity? I have no idea. Keyshawn, you know what to do. I'll shoot Sakurara 16. You fire your gun at Sakura. Her character falls. Keyshawn, you idiot! You were supposed to shoot them, not me. But I thought Sakura winked at you when Emma and Luz aren't looking. I'm sorry, Sakura. Maybe I guess I'm still learning these controls. Well, you need to learn fast. Keyshawn, watch out. Kappa Cutie 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shoots you from behind. You have died. Continue. Lewis, Emma, is up to you now. Emma, you stay behind me. I'll keep you. Hang on, I got this. She used the power to freeze Kappa Cutie 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in place. There, go ahead and shoot them. Wait, what? Hurry, they won't stay frozen for long. Lewis shoots Kappa Cutie down. Nice. Now come on, there's still 2 more guys out here. You sure you haven't played this game before? Well, I have watched a bunch of streams. How many? Not sure. Like I said, I really wanted to play this game, so I couldn't get a copy. Wow, Emma, I had no idea. Let's win this.
The two of them team up and keep playing. Soon they find the final member of Team Heartfell hiding on the roof. Okay, you create a diversion, I'll freeze, then you take them out. Works for me. Lua runs for the front. Rune runs in front while Emma sneaks up from behind with her freeze gun. Now, take that. Lua's landed a foul blow and the word victory flashes across the screen. We won! Yeah, hang on, I'll be back in a minute. Lewis quickly hurries out of the room. That was a great game. Are we gonna play again? I don't know. Did I do something wrong? Emma, how do I put this? You're way better than we expected you to be, and that's awesome, but don't take this the wrong way, but I think you may have embarrassed Lewis. Oh, shoot. Of course I screwed it up. I'm really sorry, everyone. I just got really excited because I was having so much fun. It's okay, Emma. Look how it had that effect on people. And don't get me wrong, we really are impressed. No, I get it. I should go. Lewis appeared in the doorway. Hey guys, what long faces? Lewis, wait, first I want you to have this. What is it? A copy of Lookout. Oh! Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Lookout is just Lookout is their version of Overwatch. So, because of copyright, I'm guessing, I'm gonna say things like this. We helped Emma make a Facebook account, and Emma had been wanting to play Overwatch. Bro, isn't Overwatch like free? Why you have to pay? Okay. Alright. I'm not gonna worry about it. A copy of Lookout? Is this? You say you wanted your own copy. Lewis, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to take over like that. Huh? Lewis, just hear out. I had a lot of fun tonight, but I don't really want to stop playing. I want you to stop playing just because of me. Stop playing? I'm not gonna do that. This is a spare copy. So you're not mad at me that I let you save me? Emma and Louis' relationship will be affected. Oh, I was worried for a second. But then I had to remember myself. And then I had that moment where these bitches are playing fucking Overwatch. Why would I be? We made a great team. Emma jumps and wraps him in his tight embrace. Louis looks startled for a moment, but then returns the hug. After a moment, she pulled away and looked around the rest of the team. So does it mean we get to play again? Hell yeah. In fact, we'd be honored to have you as an official part of Team Tiger. Emma's face lights up, and she squealed in delight. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. No, thank you. Now, come on, team. What with the music? I feel like this is probably something Brian related. Thursday afternoon. You, Ezra, and several other band members head to the football field to practice, but find Aiden and his faction already there talking to Principal Hughes. Hey, what's going on here? What? Came to complain about not getting to perform? What are you talking about? Principal Hughes said my band is the one performing at tomorrow's game. Really? Because I was literally just thanking her again for letting my band perform tomorrow. There must be some mistake. We can't both perform at halftime tomorrow, right? Of course you can. What? Ezra, you and your friends can perform on the right half of the field. Aiden, you and your friend can perform on the left side of the field. Sharing is caring after all. But Principal Hughes, we can't both play at once. That's not the sharing spirit, Keyshawn. I promise, if you learn to work together, you'll all have way more fun. I'm not sure that's what working together is supposed to mean. And because you're all such good kids, are you gonna let you practice together and stick together at the game tomorrow? Oh, great. Remember who ruffled Myra's hair? You're welcome, Myra. Now I have a very important meeting with Coach Burke. So if you excuse me. She skips away. Aiden and Ezra glare at each other. When did you ask Hughes about using the field? Tuesday morning. I asked Monday morning. I've got the prior claim. Yeah, right. You've forgotten that none of this would have happened if you hadn't stormed off. We're performing tomorrow. Well, so are we. Fine. You stay on your side of the field and we won't have a problem. Fine. You two march off to opposite sides of the field. The other band members follow. Emma whispers in your ear. Is this really happening? Well, at least the rest of the game might be fun. Next time on High School Story, it's time for the first game of the season. But are you ready? There is so much drama happening right now that my brain cannot process this. We have the drama going on between Ezra and Aiden. We have drama between Caleb and Brian. And also Mia and Sydney. They're about to go at it. They're not gonna go at it, but they already have their drama. And this football game is going to hell. This is some bullshit.